Count me out of anything that has to do with flat tummy. You understand? I'm not a member of that committee. I will never be a member of that committee. The tummy was never meant to be flat. You understand? I'm not a snake.
Yo, welcome again to Mazi Chow. I know the level now. Man must always work. And today we dey go enter market, we prepare it in Ogbono soup. And I know the level now. When I sit down, watch how I take prepare this Ogbono soup. And never forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also remember to drop the comment in the comment section. Thank you. So this one, so I will buy this one. How? Do that. This one. Yeah. What is this one? How much is it? So how much on 3,500? It's soft. I know I carry something I carry go out. You still no get size though. Only one hand don't press that thing, you know, man. So now, so here is my washed meat, the Ogbono Okro and the Ogbono. I added some cube of Mazi inside with a pinch of with some salt inside. I'm waiting for it to get boiled. Start to continue my cooking. So here is my blended crayfish, pepper and okwe. We are going in with all of them now. So I'm adding my red oil. Yeah, I'll be adding the ogbono now. Yeah, this is the okra. Me, I like adding my okra. I like using okra to prepare my own ogbono. So I'm adding my okra now. Many people don't like using okra while cooking ogbono, but me, I prefer using okra. So you can see how our ogbono looks like. Why I like using my okra is because of it gives it the texture I need and the unique taste I'm looking for. And for the final step, I'm going in with my ugu, my pumpkin leaf.
Count me out of anything that has to do with flat tummy. You understand? I'm not a member of that committee. I will never be a member of that committee. The tummy was never meant to be flat. You understand? I'm not a snake.